Morning, good morning.
Hi Sulman, how are you? Can you hear us?
Good, how are you? Sorry, guys.
If he has his headphones on his neck, how will he hear us? Only now he will hear us.
I know, I'm trying. I want to see if everything is working. So we got Chaitanya. How's it going, Chaitanya? And we got Kaushal. Okay, perfect. Hey, guys, let me know if you guys can hear my voice. If there's any...
No,
Okay,
everything is clear.
superb. So that's good. Trying to figure it out. Guys, give me 1 second. I'm usually not used to wearing these kind of headphones and stuff, so I might have to go grab a different pair of headphones. Actually, I don't like wearing headphones at all.
Yeah, me
So
too.
hopefully, my kids are still sleeping. Hopefully, they don't walk in. We'll be fine. Okay, so I'm gonna go live on the group, the one we were doing it before, and I think I left the screen open just in case, So I don't know if that same stream key will work or not. So let's do share Facebook. If you guys hear some noises, just ignore it. Oh yeah, I can hear it. Okay, close, share. Oh, didn't do the. Kaushal is here. Did I say right? Kaushal, right?
Is it Kaushal or Kaushal? I always
Kaushal.
get mixed up. Kaushal.
I think I'll go with the Kaushal. Kaushal is easier. Okay. Like before, we never used to go live on Facebook. I think this is the second time, third time.
Last time Venki used his stream to go live.
Oh yeah, I don't know what Reiki did, but whatever it did, it worked.
And we ended up
Venki, you
cursing
have
him
as a
for the
backup, right?
sponsor ads.
Venki, can you hear me or not?
Yeah,
Okay, he can.
I could hear you.
I just want to make sure that he is ready for the backup, just in case if we can't go to the live
Don't
Facebook.
worry.
Don't worry. Okay.
He was the
Plan B to plan C is always ready.
Oh, okay, that's good. So I
Don't
can
expect a
see.
plan A from me.
So I can see. Okay, so
I can be the plan C. But it's still weird that Run the World only allows us to use Chrome, not any other browser.
okay, so I am ready, and I think what I did is click here, and it let me choose. Come on, let me choose. Okay, it did. Okay, so guys, don't tell me you don't have permission.
When the Titanic sank on the morning of 8.
Guys, we are live with fine. I'm not gonna overdo it. No subtitles. And copy.
I think still they need to improve this. That's why KG is facing some problems in mobile view.
Yeah,
Also
that's the
true.
only thing I don't like, that people can use their mobile phone and I think that's why the few users they just can't come. They can't join.
And also for Windows, I agree with Genie because Edge is like the front runner for browsers for performance in Windows now. I used to use
Hey guys,
Edge
let's see.
Vivaldi.
I think I was doing it wrong. This is how it's supposed to be.
Yeah, we are live in the group. I can see it
Are
in my
we?
mobile.
Okay. So that's, I'm gonna go here because it's too many windows. Okay. So guys, KG is here. Who else we got here? Okay, so Alison, we should give it a minute, and then we start.
Sasida is here. Hi, Sasi. And I think Venki was the first one to come here. When you came here, did anyone was here, Venki?
I don't know if Venki can hear us or no. Or he can.
I can hear you. I can hear you.
He's eating some kind of snack, I think. So he's taking his time to answer.
I'm having my evening quota of proteins.
Okay. Perfect, guys. Welcome to the live event with Alston, where we're gonna talk about Alston and things that he does, and how he does it, and why he does it, basically. So, Alston, welcome. Thanks for allowing me to do this event. How are you doing?
To be honest, this is like a biggest community event I have done. I haven't tried this level. I usually do a stream or something like that. So when Suleiman came up with this idea, I thought it's like just one-on-one interview, right? I wanted to ask some questions. So let's do it. And suddenly, like 2 days ago, he comes up again and says that everyone can ask on live. I'm not like will they curse at me or will they put me in a position so I can't go backward? Or then I think, okay, it's fun, right? So I told him not to share any questions or even anything. Just ask it in the live. Let's see how the fun thing goes now.
So, I don't know if anyone will put you in a position, but I might put you, but I'll try not to.
Joel, you mean you can't hear
I'm
my
waiting
voice?
as well, Suleiman.
You're breaking as well too?
Can you guys hear me clearly? Because one of the commentator mentioned that he can't hear it.
You are loud and clear.
Right? Okay, cool.
What about me?
Yeah, you
fine.
also clear. Okay, cool.
Okay, perfect. So, okay. So
I have a, Suleiman, before we start, I have a score to settle with Alston. Huh? Every time I decide that I'm not going to buy anything anymore, this man will put a review and make me spend.
Yeah, we're going to talk about this. We actually going to talk about...
I have to get even with that, so I'm going to put him in a fix.
Yeah, I think he's not the only one. There's few other people. I don't know.
Let's go one by one.
One by one.
In alphabetical order. Let's start with him.
So,
Joel, others can hear me. Maybe can you try refreshing your windows and see whether you can hear me or not? Because if you can hear others' voice, then you should be able to hear my voice also. Can you others? Can you hear me, guys? Just to make sure. Okay, others are saying that they can hear it, so I think probably do a refresh or try it on a different browser and see whether you can hear it properly.
Joel, can you hear me?
Okay, they can hear everyone. One mentioned, Fernando Ortiz. He's like another true LTD addict. I see him everywhere.
Where? Who's that?
Fernando Ortiz.
Oh, Fernando. Oh, Fernando is, I think, is the next level.
Fernando, grab the mic.
So, guys, let's. I'm just trying to see if I can separate my questions with the. Oh, I can. That's good. So I have prepared some questions, obviously, but Alston doesn't know any of these questions, so we're gonna. This is a fair talk we're gonna do. Okay. So here we go. Let me just go back here. I'm just trying to put this screen. Okay. Hi, Alston. So, Alston, I know you've been doing the LTD community for a little bit longer than I believe, maybe over 2 years now, right?
Yeah, my first purchase was Substat, but I got into a community, this kind of stuff after I bought it at 2017. I think my first purchase, September.
Oh, wow.
After that, only I bookmarked all the deal site and I was like a customer for them. I didn't do reviews or anything like that. Then after July 2020 or 19, if I'm not mistaken, then I tried to create my videos, create kind of a community and see.
Okay. So I think the group was created in 2019, and you got almost over 3,500 likes so far that people are following your group. What do you do, like, in terms of what's like before you got into the LTD or currently? Like, we know Alston, he has a community. What else, like, we don't know about you?
My professional education was software engineering. I even came to UK to do my master's in software engineering, completed everything. But from the moment, where I'm coming from Sri Lanka, right, Colombo, where the digital aspect of it is like virtually non-existent when I was doing my grade 10 or O levels, we call it in Sri Lanka, like higher studies, secondary higher studies. But always was the impression for me, because in Sri Lanka it's like earning even like a $2, $1 or $2 at that time. It was like a critical aspect of it, and I'm coming from a very middle class family, and it was always like my goal to do something with internet and earn something on internet. And so many roadblocks on it, because most said that we can't do it, earning on internet a scam. I lost a lot. So all this craziness came. I wrote a in-depth bio. If you go to digital marketing mind / about, it's like 2,000 word. I wrote it on one of my birthdays. I wanted to make it memorable on that birthday, so I wrote the entire story, how I got scammed, what was the initial progress. But basically, digital marketing, been doing it for most of the time. Like, I don't go out and play or something like that. Whenever I get some time, I straight away come here. Started with file sharing, then went to AdSense, after that affiliate marketing with Amazon, then ClickBank. Then I started to doing privately digital marketing work, so graphic designing work for client. Then I went to UK to do my masters and stuff, then came back because UK life was not for me, and I know my parents and family relations also won't like it. So came
So
back
you've
to
been
Sri
in
Lanka
UK?
and started my...
Sorry, you've been in
Yeah,
UK?
I
For how
I did my...
many years?
I think it's like 1.5 years. I did all the secondary bachelor degrees in Sri Lanka, because the cost was too high to do the bachelor's also in UK. So I did everything in Sri Lanka. Then only for masters and dissertation, I came to UK, studied on University of Greenwich, and stayed there and did my masters. got dissertation, and also I did a cool project also. It's for helping. I created a SEO application basically for small business owners as a master's dissertation because it was my fun. Then came back, started digital marketing agency, own projects and everything.
Okay, that's great. But like, what do you do currently in terms of like what's your profession? Like, are you working for somebody, or do you have your own agency?
Basically, I myself and my brother is not active in LTD community. I still trying to get him on board, but he's still focusing on the business side of it, the local side of it. Basically, what we are doing is this digital marketing lifetime deal. These are like an inspiration of me, my hobby or part time where I wanted to do something to be memorable of it or something like that. But my main focus is digital marketing agency where I don't like to work for someone because I like to choose what I want to work or pick the clients, companies or something like that. So I try to focus mostly on startups. I don't like to work for enterprise clients mostly because in Sri Lanka there is a traditional approach. I need to answer why I'm doing this. All the regressive options are there. I need to explain every single aspect of it, which I am not fan of it. I happy to do the show all the progress and everything, but if I want to just submit report, do Excel spreadsheet, explain why I did this, what is the reason, then no point of view. What I like to do is I like to work with startups in Sri Lanka, where not just Sri Lanka, most anywhere, but they are front oriented. I once I go with the initial meeting, I know what they are looking for. Try to work with startup clients, and some clients are with me from my master's education. I got some client from university itself when I studying for masters, so
Wow,
still stick
great.
with me. And now we are slowly focusing from working for a clients and moving towards
Hmm.
own in-house project, like whatever I'm doing right now, rather than talking to one person and helping each other. Now I'm looking forward to like doing one project but helping a lot of different peoples, so I not only dependent on one person. Even that person wishes to leave, my project will be active. It's just
Hmm.
like renting out to someone, so one to
Okay,
many, something like that.
got it, got it. So that's good. Now, why, like, uh, why, like, create a group? Like, what's the point? Like, why did you come up with the idea? Like, I'm pretty sure back in 2019 there was already few groups, um, and yet you still created a group. What was the reason behind? And like,
The main reason is, to be honest, before 2019, I was a person which was fully focused on money. I don't care about popularity. I don't care about being like an online person or anything. I didn't have any idea for that. That's why I never got started on this. I haven't shared this story with a lot of different people. Only few know it, like Karthik and few friends I shared it. For example, what happened was during 2019, uh, there was a huge bomb blast in Colombo, Sri Lanka, where it was happened in our church where we used to go, Christian church. So that time we narrowly escaped it. I didn't want to go into more details, but we narrowly escaped it. During that time, it made me realize that I wanted to do uh, something which I wanted to be remember of, not just to be someone not afraid to take any action. Initially, I was even
so,
scared to go into live, or not even live, recording videos. It took like
mm,
20 re-recording. It's not easy to, only the video content creators will know it, that live we just go out, whatever happens, let's do it. But when we
yeah,
want to record something, it will take like 20 re-record. Something will go wrong, someone will scream, something will get shut off, so
yeah,
anything can happen. So it was like really a scared time, but that one moment of my life showed that whatever happens, I will be happy to regret that I tried something and it failed, rather than just giving up without trying it. So that time, when even though there was a lot of groups, and I was like, does not matter. I'll do whatever I want to be proud of seeing back in a later stage. That is the reason also creating this in-house project, because I want to be proud of the work I created and show that this is something I created. So wanted to do it, and I know so many people ask me. People who help me out, my friends, local people, and things, they were asking what are things. So I thought to do create this stuff, and LTDs was like which of the first uh, products which I got interested, because Sri Lanka managing digital agency was really difficult because the cost of living is really low, the earning stuff and everything. So one time offers, this was like a really glad thing, because others, when they see $39, it's not a big deal. But when we come from, especially during 2010 and everything, that was a big deal to be paying monthly. Even our electricity bill won't go that high in Sri Lanka. So it was really that much stuff. So this was interesting. So wanted to try it out, digital marketing, because I chose a sub niche. I didn't want to go into a fully fledged digital marketing niche because it's really competitive. So it's like
what is the niche for the group? Since you mentioned niche, so
this is a lifetime deal niche.
lifetime
That
deal is a
it.
niche. So guys, see here you that was a part you guys need to learn about it, right? There's a lot of things that we don't know how people get into these things. It's not just a small thing. You can, I know you can one click you can create a group, but maintaining the group itself is like a huge duty that you have to do, and people do follow you. Where Alston right now is almost 3 points, almost over 3,500 subscriber right now that I checked last night. So now I want to know, like this one, I want you to like be specific on the answer and just as short as possible. Why do reviews for deal you are not affiliate? Because I know you have a lot of you have affiliated links, and then you also mentioned on your post that there's non-affiliated link. So I like that you are very honest about it, but yet I don't know if you are affiliate, then why not just post an affiliate link and put non-affiliate link too? Like I understand that you want to show people that that it's there's no pressure. Plus, I want to know, like, you do reviews for not affiliated, like AppSumo, and I have seen some other ones too that you are not affiliate, and you still do the review. Like, why?
Basically, there are two reasons. One, when I told you, right, I came into this lifetime deal community or creating this kind of just being a publicly, I came later after this event. And before that, I was just a customer, just like you guys, probably most of you looking for software services. And usually we don't trust sales page, because I got burned a lot from JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank even, and just they promise the sky and a lot thing. When we actually go into that, it won't be there, and they won't offer any refunds for digital products. And when I check for reviews or opinions with other users, what I usually tend to saw was that every single one was using creating this review video, and I saw they were creating links with this, but it's really hard to differentiate from someone who's doing legit stuff compared to the person who's not doing anything. I'm not mentioning that anyone who just posted just the links is a bad affiliate or something like that, but it's really from the user point of view really hard to know whether that this is something associated with this company or not, because you know, right, there are SM panels where we can buy subscriber, we can buy comments, we can buy likes for the videos or articles or anything like that. So it's easy to manipulate it. So every time I this doubt that if he's only giving this without having value, whether this is might be a true or not. That's the reason when I wanted to create something, I wanted to be a choice for the user. I'm not going to force it. I'm not going to keep something hidden from the
So
user and say only the option is to click it.
so when you do review, you don't look at it in terms of how much money you'll be making from that affiliate. You'll be just purely based on the quality of the product and your personal, like if you personally like it.
Yeah,
Does that make
and
sense?
also Omar, I just noticed you. You were right at the bottom on my mic, so I didn't see your face. So getting back to the topic, that is the reason I told you two reasons. Because one is the reason I mentioned. The
Yeah, yeah.
second reason is I call something like brand marketing. I do this. What means is that I'm not focused on getting a sale for one that particular video. We see this a lot. Most what they do is they try to make a single sale for that video, and they are okay even if you forget about them. You go out and make the sales purchase conversation done. You even if you don't come to us, as long as I made a sale out of you, that is more than enough. But that is not the something which I want to create. As you mentioned that I put my name Alston Antony in any project I do. I don't like to keep myself hidden. If you go into Suspirate, you will see it in the footer. There will be a huge guy at the bottom screen showing that this is me and something like that. And if you go to the group, you will see name in the title. If you go inside the group, you will see the welcome post with me and everything. So what I wanted to do is I don't want to be a person who just focusing on one affiliate, but rather build a relationship with you guys, create a trust between them. So even if one product is not good, I recommend that it's you guys to refund it. That is the reason I keep you guys as a part of community, because it create trust. You know that you can ask for my opinion, that I will share whatever that I think from my experience or knowledge that is honest. So when we are focusing on long term one, we don't care about the one time affiliate commissions or making money on everything we do. So that is the main reason. I think Suleiman got cut off. I'm not sure.
Yeah,
Can
he
you hear
looks
me,
cool, sir.
Omar?
I can hear you. I can hear you fine.
Okay, cool. This is the
Nice.
first time I'm seeing you. Look really cool.
Thank you for that. Is that Venki? What's going on, bro?
Hey, Omar.
Yeah. Oh, there's Suleiman's back. Yeah.
Okay, Suleiman is
Was
back.
it me who was gone, or was it you guys who were gone? Because when I
It was
checked,
you.
You only.
I
We are all
didn't
here.
see you guys. Who was
The
gone?
internet
Was it
connection
me?
in Canada is not so good.
Yeah, you. It was you. We all were
Oh,
connected.
oh, whoa, that's funny. So I'm gonna move on to the next question because we do want to wrap this up and get into some other good stuff that we are thinking about. So I because I've been following your group for a long time. I don't know the specific year or date, but I know it's been over a year, I think. And I barely see you doing giveaways, where I see other groups are doing a lot of heavy giveaways and trying to grow their community. And in a very short period, they're like bombarding with the giveaway, and um, it's just insane. And I, from Alston group, your group, I never see a giveaway. And I think I've only seen one giveaway. And let's see if you remember that giveaway. And I think that giveaway for somebody give you away that, and you give away to the group. So,
Yeah.
but I've never seen you like doing any giveaway. So why not? Why are you not doing
Yeah.
giveaway?
Uh, there are two reasons we do giveaway. One, we can use it as lead generation, like what Kenmo did. He built the group with like instant. He's a great guy. His reviews are great, but he wanted to make himself available front of all these different people. So whatever the content is created, they see that this is valuable. So that is called lead generation giveaway, where the sole focus is to get more people's inside the giveaway. So what for me, giveaway is not supposed to be something to get leads. This is something to give something return back to the community people who are inside the community as a token of thank you. For example, I think there is around 4 different giveaways, 4 5, I'm not sure, and I'm preparing another giveaway for another 2 or 3 days. So but I won't be advertising it or anything, or I won't be doing just
So
my
you are saying you are doing giveaway?
no, when 3 types. If I purchase something, if I don't want to use that, I will give away it. Or if someone comes to the group, for example, SaaS founder or anything like that, and I see the SaaS as really quality, but I'm not going to earn anything from that SaaS, then I will ask. You can post the group and use admin approved tag, and you can make an in-depth post without any affiliate and talk to the customers, but in return you don't need to give anything to me, but you give away 2 or 3 copies, so I can give it to community members, so they will get some sort of benefit out of it, and at the same time you also
I
get some promotion.
I understand, Alston, but are you doing any giveaway? That's what I'm asking. Like, do you want to do giveaways or no? Like, are you
If
planning
you
to do
go
giveaways?
if you
Like,
go into SaaS.
if I come to you and I say, you know what, here's my product. I want to post it on your group. Um, is there any giveaway coming in? That's I just want to know, like in simple, like is it, because
Yes,
I have only seen one giveaway.
if you go to /giveaway, or in the menu there is a giveaway link, you will see all the past giveaway we did.
Yeah, okay. So there is a giveaway, but not as many as I like other people have done.
There is a giveaway, but that's not for lead generation. Even all the emails I collect, I delete it at the end of every giveaway. I don't use that
Oh,
for
very nice. So,
marketing
guys, here
purposes.
we go. Thank you for telling
He's
that.
internet.
So see this giveaway. There's the thing that people do with the giveaways, right? So here in the group, I have noticed that he doesn't do as much giveaway, but there's a content or there's like reviews, and I know a lot of people follow Alston just for these reviews, and he wait for their reviews, and he's been very behind on lot of things and been disappeared in December and November and then January. So we'll get to it. We'll get to the more fun part here, and we want to make this exciting as possible. So let me do this. Okay. So do you get paid for the founder to do the YouTube video? Do you get paid for it? Like when you
No,
do a review or something like that,
no,
you don't get paid.
I never wanted to get paid, because if I get paid, there is two issues. One, it's completely unethical. If I
Yeah,
get to paid,
you'll be
it's like
biased.
just, yeah, it's like a sales promotion. And if I found something bad also, I can't, if I say it in the video openly, they might ask me to change my perspective or anything like that, because
So
it's a paid.
what I'm understanding that you do reviews, even you are not affiliated, and you don't even get paid for those
Yeah,
videos.
sometimes if the product is really
Not
good,
all of them,
or
but some of them I'm talking about.
yeah,
But I
sometimes
think
that's
many of
if
them,
the
like you do for AppSumo, where
yeah, if the product is
you don't
not
get paid.
good, if the product is good, or if the community members request it a lot, like they want to ask the opinion, it's okay to give something back to the community, even though if I don't earn anything. So the honest opinion will give something back to the community, and also more new people also can discover our community. Like search engine optimization, I'm good at it, so every video I do, I make sure that it's fully SEO optimized, so more will come to our community, discover it. So it's not just one way of earning. Even though if I'm not earning anything through affiliate commission, I might earn a potential friend or community member or subscriber who might return in future.
Okay. So the next, I'll try to be quick. How much money? Like I don't know if you have ever did accounts. Like how much money you have
You are
made from the
breaking,
group,
you are
your
breaking,
own group.
Suleiman. Can you repeat that?
Okay, I'll try again.
Yeah, you keep
Umar,
breaking up, brother.
can you hear it or no?
Yeah.
Breaking up. Okay. So how much money you have made from the your group? Like, did you ever like check like how much money you have collected or made a
I
revenue
don't I
from
don't
the
keep
group?
separate tracking option. For example, I do promotion through groups, I do it through YouTube, I do it through digital marketing, my blog, Suspirate listing post, and also recommending to my offline clients, friend or something like that. So, and all this comes under in one group. It depends. For example, some products I only make 1 or 2 sales. If the product is really good, but usually the time which I make most number of commission is during Black Friday, because those are the time where people are mostly focused on buying deals, and especially web hosting offers, because that is the time to find good web hosting offers and everything. So that is the most of the time. And I used to make a lot of money, like I'm not sure. I was getting started around $600 to $800 just
Okay.
doing part time with AppSumo, but they
Okay.
introduced
Perfect.
that, then I got removed, all these things, then that stopped completely income state. Then nowadays it's like creating, but it differs. We are, when it comes to affiliate marketing, the one thing it's not consistent. Anything can happen. One day it can be a great day, another, like 10 days ago there won't be anything, so anything can happen. But
Okay.
everything comes from different aspect of it.
Alrighty. So, where were we? Okay. So in short, like where do you see the group is heading right now? Like the group, your group, where do you see it's heading? Like which direction are you
uh,
trying? You you are the main guy. It's up to you where you want to take the group.
okay, the main thing which I'm Okay, the main thing is that I'm not trying to just to be focused on lifetime deals. My goal is not to be a lifetime deals group, because my initial goal was to create something useful for digital entrepreneurs, digital marketing guys. So get into education, teaching how to use software, teaching how to do something specific or something like that. But I couldn't enter the market directly. So my goal for the group will be, you already see that I have slowly progressed towards outside it. For example, we don't discuss every lifetime deal. We don't post every lifetime deal which comes into the market. Only the important staff or any members who's looking for suggestion, they will post it out. So we do that only, and my goal is to slowly have the lifetime deal as a part of it, but my focus mostly for digital education, sharing knowledges, helping each other with digital businesses, like creating a community for business oriented people, not just uh, enterprises or basic beginner, but creating something for digital entrepreneurs to have actionable solutions for any digital kind of stuff. And
Okay,
at the during that time, we use lifetime deal also as one option.
perfect. So, do you? I don't want you to uh, like. I don't know if you do have any plan, but do you have any plan launching like a exclusive deal for the group? Or do you have anything coming up? You don't need to tell us a name, but it would be nice if you tell us a name if there is something in like
If there is something, I would definitely tell you guys, but there is nothing at this moment.
there's nothing
Usually
right now.
what
But are
happens,
you open to it? Like if somebody comes in and then
usually
says,
what
"Alston, can you do it?"
now the state is, usually since Aspirate is currently ranking on top terms for Google for lifetime deals, SaaS deals and everything, I tend to get a lot of uh, contact messages from deal founders and everything. But still, I see that there are great deal networks. For example, Sustainautics guys, Digital Think, Greg, and SAS Launchpad, Karthik, and everything. And also, I'm also a moderator and I'm also a team member there. I see all these great networks. So, what
Okay.
currently I do is, any offer I get, I tell for all the SaaS founder, I give out these 4 or 5 different deal networks and tell them these are the currently good guys. I'm not planning to do any exclusive ones, so you can reach out to them and see whether this is interesting or not. That is what I'm currently doing.
So let's say if I have a SaaS product and I come to you and I said, you know what, I'm launching it.
You got cut away again.
Sorry about that. I'm back, guys. I don't know what's happening here. I'm not actually at my usual spot. I usually am downstairs. I think
Okay,
where the router is and it's better connection.
that's fine.
Um,
That's fine.
but
Can you
because
repeat
of
it
the
again?
Yeah, so let's say if I come to you and I say, you know, I want to launch a deal with you on Alston Group. So would you be passing me to someone else, or would you be like, because that's what I'm getting it from you. Uh, will you be passing it to somebody else?
If they don't have an affiliate program, if they don't have a system already placed, or if it's not a general deal, like for example, anyone goes to a website, there is a lifetime deal, anyone can share it.
Yeah,
If it's
but
not something
Alston, what
like
I'm
that,
asking you, if I come to you to bring a deal that I have my product, I want you to launch it in your group. Would you be okay? Would you say yes, yeah, I'll do it? Or would you just
no,
tell them,
not at
no,
the
I can't
moment.
do it?
Not at the moment, because that is not, I'm not focused on becoming another deal network. If I'm okay to be part of something, another deal network, but
Mm-hmm.
not any plans to create my own deal network, because as I told you, my focus is on education part of it. We see only buyers see the buyer side of it, but only the deal networks will know all the responsibilities, all the issues, all the things will come for it. So that is not something which fully interest
Okay.
me. I want to
Okay.
focus on education.
So let's say if I do come to you and I say, you know what, I have my product here, it will find all the keywords in the world and it will give you the best results. Where do you transfer me to?
If
Who
you
would you
say you
transfer me
come to a product with keyword and find all keywords, then I will
to? They
tell you to
find
go
all
to
the keywords
JVZoo
and
or
that's what
Warrior
it.
Plus, because that is the headline we see on JVZoo and Warrior Plus as soon as we go.
So
Basically, this what
so
happens
where
when
would
there's
you
a
send me? Like
uh,
like I want to know in short, like where are you gonna send me? Like what would you tell me? Okay, go to Upsumo, go to this.
first what I will do is I will ask the product, because I want to check it whether that person who's saying I won't use the product, but I will see the
Mhm.
website, because we can tend to notice these things. If I see this has been a good product, then I have already prepared a notes like the top five deal networks, and I've even created a post in SaaS Pilot. I give them to them, these are really good, these are the issues on each of it, go ahead and choose whatever the one you feel most comfortable with it.
Mhm.
So I'll give them the list, they go out it.
So okay, so if I do come to you, you can guide me through. You know what? This is you can help me out, right? Basically,
Yeah,
perfect. Okay.
even yesterday I sent a founder the same message. He reached out to me, I gave the top stuff and let him to make a decision.
Okay. So, guys, you see here, uh, I know a lot of people here sometimes dream of launching a deal, and here is the guy who is actually passing that opportunity to other people just because he is working with he has a mindset, and that's what he wants to do, which is good, which is good. I like that, and I hope it will change one day.
Oh,
We'll see. Uh, Okay. Any plan of creating your own SaaS product? Just want to know in short, if you have any plan or you thought about it, yes or no, kind of thing.
when I was doing my masters, I actually created my own SEO application. I told you, right, for my dissertation project, and even it got distinction. And even I got the tester
Hmm.
who was testing the software as a client during that time, because they were really good at impressed with it, and it was really fun at one point. But after that, as I told you, right, I focus on connecting with customers, talking to customers. I have the technical knowledge, but I'm not focused on creating something which I own, because I know there are a ton of other products which I can pay a bare minimum, rather than managing my own and get better services, choices, and everything. So apart from few in-house softwares which we do use in our company, I don't have any product which I'm planning to sell for
Okay,
general or in future also, because
got
that
it.
is not the approach I want to go.
Do you? did you ever regret promoting a deal? But you have to tell me the name. That you promoted, you did your YouTube video, you did all the jazz you do, and then you are like regretting, what, I made a mistake.
Yeah, usually what happens with me is that whenever I create
I want to
any
know the
review
name.
videos, I
Is
focus.
there?
Yeah, I'll
There is,
hopefully I
okay.
think.
There is, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
currently I'm bit regretting Automizy because of
Okay.
instability issues because I'm not able to use it fully. But
Okay.
LT, that is the main thing. It comes with risk. We know the risk. It might
Yes,
look good,
exactly.
but we need to think from the stability point of view. What will work? Whether it will work in a 1 year or within 1 year, can we get at least some of our money in return so we don't make total loss of it. So far, I don't do review for all the products. Currently, I only do reviews for product which I think is good or I think it's worth considering, or the community members request it. If the community members are requesting, then community members itself already know, have a trust meter. If they see a bad deal, they immediately know that deal is going to be bad and they won't even request a review or opinion. Only if they see
Mm-hmm.
matured or any products, then they will ask it. So
Okay.
far, the options are limited, but even Automize, if they manage to fix stability issues, that is a great email marketing software.
I think they will fix it. It's just a matter of time. It's one of those things. You whenever you buy LTD, you are taking a risk of because we don't know if they will survive. You don't know like their server resource cost, and especially currently right now, pandemic time. Even I'm thinking about a lot of things that I'm buying right now, and I don't know like whatever's going on in the world. I don't know if these companies will survive or not. So it just, and we are like spending thousands of dollars. Before we used to spend $100. Now we're spending thousands of dollars. Like we are buying 3 tiers, 3 codes, stacking all those codes. But there was a time that we were getting all unlimited at one point. So I just be careful what you buy, guys. It's crazy time right now in COVID.
And also,
Go ahead.
I give this advice that even I, whenever anyone asks me in my DM or message that I saw this offer, Alston, it's on second hand market. Do you think it's worth paying $1,000 or 1,200?
Yep.
Sometimes I will say that if you think that is unpressable, you go for it. But SaaS is like booming. You don't see desktop softwares nowadays. Desktop market is gone. It's fully SaaS based. They know the opportunities in the market. They can be based anywhere in a remote city and they can connect customers worldwide. So the opportunity is there. So they will can come to you. So even if you miss out on a good product, eventually another product will come which will be
Exactly.
see like better to that.
Exactly. So
So until you get a fully trustable or satisfactory product, pay a monthly option for one of the stable product. And when you find a good product which directly matches or most of your requirement, then go for a LTD and try to get as much as return within 1 year.
okay. So that was great. So guys, there's more fun coming up. So Alison, there's some Q&A I have prepared. I need very like yes or no kind of answer. We don't want to go a lot of in detail. We have already gone over, and I was hoping that we'll be probably done by right now. So let's. If you can go back, which deal would you refund it? And short answer, buddy. I just need one product. If you can go back in
Cashew.
time, which deal you would refund?
It was Cashew. It was a LTD launched on AppSumo. The product is really good, but
Okay, that's good. That's
but
good. That's good.
but
That's good.
no,
I think that's good.
just to
That's
mention it
we.
because the product is really good,
No,
but
it's
we
fine.
can't change
We
the
won't.
currency option.
It's not available on LTD. Is it available on LTD?
No.
No, right? Okay, let's move on. Which deal you regret not buying?
This I forgot the name. That was really good. SE ranking.
SE ranking. Okay, I regret that too. Um, did somebody give you like paid you money to do a good review for their product? Yes or no?
No. No.
Did you ever taken the money to the review?
No.
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 Would you offer? So did somebody offer you?
No. I don't take
No.
any money for the reviews. If they are
No. But did
offering
anybody offer you, Aston, here's my product, do a
yeah,
review? Were you
yeah,
offered it? They offered you?
I get this message a lot, even in my email
Okay.
inbox. Even yesterday, I
You
got
didn't.
some
You
from
didn't
that.
do it, right? That's what you're saying.
No.
Okay,
No.
perfect. Name 5 favorite of your LTDs. Your favorite 5 LTDs. Guys, write down notes. Make notes.
That's tough. There are so
That's not tough.
many.
You promote so many. You have so many LTDs and this
Yeah,
going on. You should
I
be able to
have
give me
around
this by
I have
eyes
around
closed.
200 plus
5.
LTDs
I
with
just
me.
care about the 5
Which
that maybe the one that made you money. That will be good.
basically, I would say the most used products include Short Pixel because it runs on the backend even without our interaction.
Yeah, I just need to know the names.
Short Pixel, Plutio, Lemlist, Lemlist, Restream,
Okay.
and finally, and one more. Restream, there are so many. Let's go ahead with Serpstat, my first purchase.
Okay, so it's okay. So it's good. At SEO tool that you use that you cannot live with, live without, you use it every day. The SEO tool, your favorite SEO tool that you use every day.
Ahref and Morningscore.
Morningscore, okay, perfect. Ahref, Morningscore. Tell me one thing that you find challenging in SEO. Most challenging.
Link building.
Link building?
Link building.
Oh
Yeah.
boy, yes. Okay, so this is the final one. Okay, I'm gonna try my best to put it in nice words, but you have to be quick and good. Okay. So if you are stuck on the island, who you rather be stuck with? Is it Muhammad Ali, Karthik, Arman, or Kenmo? So pick one. Come on.
This is the weirdest question I ever answered, I think.
So, yeah, if you're in the island, who would you want to be stuck with? You got 4 buddies of yours, so pick one.
I think I would choose Karthik because we have talked a lot, even chat and everything. Others, I haven't talked to them. Everything is just messaging. Karthik is the only person I have talked multiple times in phone conversation. We are like almost brothers.
Okay, perfect. So I was going to ask you why would you pick him, but you already answered it, which just makes it a lot easier. So guys,
and also he travels a lot, so you will have all the experience to survive a situation also.
now you're just backing it up, so Mohammed and everybody else don't feel bad. Arman and everybody don't feel bad, right? So guys, I'm gonna give you guys a chance to come on stage. So I think Kaushal or anybody. Omar, you already on the stage, so if you have any questions for Alston, go ahead, guys. If anybody wants to come on stage, grab a mic. There's a mic on the left.
I think you've asked all the questions, brother.
Okay, so we have someone coming in.
Another great friend. We have talked also in chat and in a call.
So I have already given him a mic. Oh, here we go. It's coming. Okay.
Yeah. Hello, everyone.
Okay.
Hi, mate. How are you?
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah. So how are you doing, buddy?
Okay. Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. So we wanna give everybody a fair chance. So let's try to keep it short and nice. And Alston, go ahead. If you have any question, go ahead. Ask him.
Yeah. Right now I am overwhelmed by the SEO part of the. Yeah. So not to make a summary, I just will touch upon one or two queries. So so first of all, like I have my main website on WordPress. So besides WordPress, as you Alston you might be knowing that there is WebStart, and there is another I came across, which is LabyBlog. So that is only for blogging. So if it is not on WordPress, how risky am I, signing into? Like, what is the risk involved in terms of SEO and, monetization later on?
Basically, when comes to SEO, the CMS does not matter that much as long as you are able to do all the on-page optimization stuff. Because, for example, Wix, it is fully a JavaScript version where it's really hard for SEO to crawl the website and everything. It creates good site, but on-page optimization becomes a bit difficult. So as long as you choose any platform which has great on-page optimization like meta description, archiving, no indexing or no following categories, all this on-page factor, if the platform is able to do, then you are fine. And also the one more stuff which you can focus is, rather than going with a company product, a custom solution, and going with the open source or even static HTML side, is you have the total control of it. When it comes to SEO, the site age plays a bigger role, and site structure, URLs, and everything. So if something goes wrong with the company, we know that it's volatile market, and if something happens, and if you are unable to transfer the data correctly into a different platform, it might cause issues, headaches, and everything. So going with the open source where you have the full control over the block, it will be useful in the long run. You're not dependent on
I
one.
also forgot to mention Spread Simple, and that is also like kind of, and Swipe Page. So you are saying that if meta description and all these features like indexing and stuff are not available in the designing part of the website, web building aspect, if they are not available there, then it's difficult to rank, right?
On-page optimization will become difficult because on-page optimization will have meta optimization, sitemap creation. For example, if you're going with a custom solution and you see there is no option to create sitemaps or no option to do stop duplicate comments, something like that, then you create unnecessary situation where you are not only focused on fixing SEO problems but trying to figure out how to do that in one place. But when you go with WordPress or something like that, it's just a one plugin away. There are so many options, free, paid options, so you don't need to focus on how to fix the problem. Rather, you can focus on how to fix the problem itself.
Okay, so, I use RankNet.
Just one second. Sorry to interrupt. I want to make sure that everybody get fair chance. There is a giveaway we are doing that will give you 1 hour free consultation with Alston. That's like almost $1,000 value. So that giveaway will be happening. I want to give everybody a fair chance, and I don't want to wrangle around this event for very long. So I do apologize. I want to keep it short and let the questions keep coming. And so here's another thing I have. There's gonna be poll right now just for fun. So give your answer, and then we'll go to the next question.
And also rank math SEO Plus is good. You can do that. Use that.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Run the world.
I have already bought it.
That was good. It was a secret poll, buddy. You're not supposed to say your answer. Just kidding. Okay, Omar. Not sure if you have a little bit of control over on the Run the World, because I think I put you as a guest speaker too. Do I have to end this from my end, or can you end it from your end too?
No, you have to end it. You initiated it, so you have to end it.
Oh, I have to end it?
Yes.
Sometimes I just don't get it, like how these things work. So I think it's end already when everybody's finished, no?
It's still here on the screen.
It's still showing.
It's still showing? So yeah, that's the thing. Something I need to figure out, guys.
I think as a host you can end it.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know where to end it from. That's the thing. So here,
See in the left bottom corner.
left
Any
bottom
option
corner.
there?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
There's a polling option again, but I don't see the end button.
Okay.
Is your screen still showing or no? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm gonna try to end this. If not, I'm gonna have a next person. Please go ahead if you have any question. I didn't catch your name. Let me see because the screen is so small now. Oh, he just disappeared. Did he run on me? No, he's back. He's back. Okay, I can see in the poll, guys. Thank you. Confirm in
Audio
the
is
poll.
not
Yes.
coming, I think.
Yeah, he's here.
Okay, I will
He's
just
in.
leave the mic.
We cannot hear you, buddy. Do you guys hear that?
Your sounds weird, like a child squeaking.
Sound like a squirrel. Okay, that's all right. So we're gonna get somebody else. We're gonna get somebody else if somebody else is interested. If not, then we'll do one more poll and see if this poll was for. Actually, I did it because of Chaitanya. He's been asking me, so now you know if you should buy or not. Okay, one more. Omar, I don't know if anybody did ask any other questions. Oh,
quite a few questions.
Quite a few questions.
We also have questions in the comments.
I don't know if anybody can go through those while I'm creating this.
The comments now.
Okay, perfect.
I don't
okay, how's everything?
There's a lot of comments. I don't see any questions.
A lot of comments, but no questions. Guys, you need to ask questions.
Hey, Alston, how are you?
So one more. We have few. Okay.
Can you guys hear me?
Okay, here's a question for Alston from Chaitanya. He says, "What was the first deal you reviewed?"
If you go to YouTube and sort it by oldest, you will probably see the first deal.
But do you remember?
I can't remember actually.
You don't remember? Okay, that's fair.
And he's also asking what is the criteria you have for reviewing a product?
No, I already answered. If I test the product and if I found it good, or if the community members ask to do review, or if it's LTD and the company or product seem matured or worth considering, then I'll try to do a review.
Okay.
Cool. Do I still sound like a chipmunk?
No.
Cool. Hey guys. Hey Alston. So Alston, how many LTDs have you got totally, and how in the world do you organize yours? Everyone has their own means of organizing this. I keep losing track, and so how do you manage to? So how many LTDs and how do you manage to organize it?
I think I cleared the list. I reorganized everything. I have around 200 currently in LTDs, different LTD offers, like lifetime products. I have, and all those are sorted in a couple of places. The main place where it's stored is Airtable. There is a separate table with description, link, what it does, easy to search. Sometimes I forget the LTD name, so I search for the description like SEO tool or something, then I get all the records. Then for most used LTD, I try to keep them as a start.me. Since I'm using Firefox, tab extent does not have full support it. I keep bookmarks or even like a link through this. But some LTD website I directly go it because it's like back of the mind anytime. If I want to go there, I know which to go.
And what's your refund rate? You got 200, right? So how many did you actually get and did you refund?
I refund a lot because not only I will be purchasing for my personal needs, but any person who ask me to review. Sometimes the product might be good, but I will have no need for it because most product has overlapping features and I already have a good enough product. So I don't mind checking out. If it's unique, I will keep it. Otherwise, I will refund it.
Cool. Thanks a lot, guys.
Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you. If anybody else wants to join, please don't be shy. I don't think nobody bites here. So feel free, take your fear out. I know Alston was very shy. Even myself, I was very shy, and I like to stay private, which Alston knows about, and I just like to stay private. But you have to open up one day, right? So here we had an interesting poll we did. And what we getting? We getting? Are you spending too much time on LTD groups? So guys, a lot of people saying yes. So I'm not the only one. So okay, oh my God, there's only one guy says no.
What are your thoughts on around the world, guys? Are you guys gonna get it? Keep it?
We'll find out, buddy. We'll find out. We're gonna find that out together. Don't worry. We have these. That's why I put those questions in there. So people have more idea. We can run these questions again one more time. There is one more. Anybody else wants to ask any question? Go ahead, please.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes,
who's this?
Fernando.
Fernando?
Hello,
Fernando? What? He looks
I don't
very
see
different.
your face, buddy.
Oh no. Okay, I thought you were the other guy.
We have
Alston, how you
Sarang
doing
and
today?
Fernando join. How are you guys?
Pretty good. Let me ask you, are you using any AI tools?
Can you give more in depth, because every tool mentioned AI somewhere in their description.
I think he meant more like a content to create a content and blog or like heading.
Yeah. Exactly.
I have a lot of LTD in content, and especially this GPT. Currently, my main favorite tool for GPT automation is Shortly AI, and then Writesonic Nicheness, and some are in shelfware like Content Villain and Content Bot, but mostly Shortly AI can beat everything out of the market. I have planned a full training, but I want to make much more experienced in it before I create videos for it. But for me, it's much better than conversation AI itself. Shortly AI is really good. It can do anything.
Is there, Alston, is there a link? Like, are you affiliated? Is there a lifetime deal going on or no?
I think I have an affiliate link. If you go to
if you could be able to post it on the
shortly.ai.com.
comment, that would be great, because I'll be buying that. That's called FOMO.
But it's not.
Pardon me?
But it's not LTD, and it's a monthly paid, and there is a huge learning curve.
I don't want it. Pass. That's what Antony would say. The limits are too less. Pass.
And
how long before AI wife, guys?
You better get that synthesis application to create video.
Neural text is still down.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
What's still down?
Neural text. It came on AppSumo. And
I only used it for 5 minutes, then it went away, and still I am not able to test anything out of it.
Yeah, I see a post where the guy was saying that's still not working, so I don't know.
I was actually going to record a video. Some Kaushal tagged me in one of the chat and asked me what is my opinion. Okay, I'll give my odds on a video, and I go to the website, Cloudflare error, and still unable to log in and use it.
Sarang, how are you doing, buddy?
I'm good.
How's your grandpa? How's the family doing?
Yeah, he's recovering.
He's recovering. That's a good sign.
You're just picking up and keep crossed.
This is therapy.
This is getting interesting, guys. Who thought of these all crazy questions, man?
It's not bad, these polls, I suppose. It's a good thing to keep it for.
So what we got?
Suleiman, are you having to write every time, like the question?
Yeah. I've prepared some on the site. So what I did, prepared some funny things that that people I thought was just create a poll. I don't usually like to do it so much, but I think it's a little bit fun and more
But it's
engaging.
cool actually. So you're copy pasting it, right? You're copy pasting each
Yeah, exactly. I'm
question.
copy pasting it.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. I can do my own questions too, but it's just I prepared something already on the site. So if you guys have any funny like question or something like that, or if you want to ask, just put it on the comment, and then I'll do the poll on it and see. So perfect. Anybody else wants to come join? Venke, why don't you go ahead, buddy? I thought you had a whole list.
Yeah.
Or you still eating your eating your protein snacks?
Your mic is still. Oh, okay, cool.
Kaushal, I don't know if Kaushal is here. I don't know if Kaushal wants to come, if he's still around. KG.
Fernando
What
is
did I
back.
do?
Alston,
No.
one more thing.
KG. Do we have KG here? Oh, no. I don't know. Sometimes I don't know where I click and this screen just takes me somewhere. We got Abe. Abe last time. Oh, Abe, you should come and join. Invite him on the stage. Guys, any question, please keep it coming. Yes, we can hear you, Fernando.
KG is in mobile, so we can't use it to come online. That's fine, mate. I'm also going through the comments and see if there is a question. So if you guys,
see if there's any. Because I have another list that I can go through right now.
Fernando's asking.
After this event, I'll try to request Suleiman for the replace Asida and try to upload it into group and see. He's also having some issues. I'll try to get that.
This is going live on Facebook too, so you guys will be good. And then we'll have a fancy version of that on YouTube. That I think Alston will work on it.
Oh no, we have to put filters. We didn't use our beauty filters. Now you tell us.
No worries, you look fine.
Where is everybody?
Suleiman, it's getting late. You might as well start the giveaway, brother.
Sorry?
It's getting late. You might as well start the giveaway.
Oh yeah, we have to do the giveaway. I think people are. So I'm trying to think what we had on the giveaway.
He wants the mic.
So we had
giveaway.
Do we have anybody who wants to join still? No, nobody. Okay. So we had Boei. I don't know if you guys checked Boei. It's a very. I think it was a little bit lightweight. It's not very. Abe wants to join, so that Abe come. So we have Abe coming in now. Let's see if he comes in or not.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, he got on camera today, man. This is good. This is good. Abe, how you doing?
Yeah, fine.
Go ahead, Abe.
You look a lot younger. You are look the youngest person.
Yeah. I just turned 18 now.
Okay, cool.
Oh boy, look at this.
You need to be minimum of 21 to enter this chat. So sorry.
Any question, Abe? For Alston?
Yeah, for now, no.
I thought Abe got frozen, He's like, okay, should I or not? Okay.
In the meantime, I'll try to go through some questions on the comment section. I think some are not willing to come online, so I'll try to go.
Umar, you have that website where you can pick people. We have 14 people live. I'm not sure if we have anybody watching live on Facebook, and maybe we can include them in there. I don't know if it's a good idea or just for people who are. Read comment. Oh my god, bro. Hello. Live chat tool. Chaitanya had a question about the live chat tool.
I've got a program here, online random picker. Just put in the names and then click a button.
Alston, I have one question came on my Facebook. User wants to know the best, I don't know, like a help desk and live chat tool in your recommendation.
Is it specifically on LTD or any solution?
LTD, yes. Free one will be okay too.
Free
Free
one,
one, free one. I am using it. It's from Zoho. Zoho sells IQ, so it's best.
and
How's the
one more
loading speed like?
No. Its loading speed is pretty decent, and it doesn't
Yeah.
slow down the site. And main thing, it tracks the user activity on the site with mobile app they have, so you can get idea of what is doing on your site.
So let's say if I go land on the page, if I go and I start a chat without entering my email, you will get a notification that this
Without
IP
entering,
address.
you have to just first type in your name and email. Without typing name and email, you can't start the chat. But I can track your IP from where you are going through.
Okay.
So that's the thing, isn't it?
Without putting my email.
Right.
Okay.
Without putting
So
your email.
Okay, I think continually does that too. So every time somebody goes on my website, I get notifications.
Right.
and for free chat solution, Talk2 is also a great option. You can guys try it out. It's completely free. There is no restriction. Only if you want chat support agents, you need to pay. But if you can manage your own chat, Talk2 is really good. And if you're concerned about loading speed, good suggestion is there is something called Cloudflare apps. It's a new feature Cloudflare introduced where they support Talk2. So rather than loading Talk2 application from your server, you can connect Talk2 directly from Cloudflare and make it load directly from Cloudflare. So it will be a clash. It will improve the speeds a lot.
Okay, so we that application. Can you? I know Cloudflare, but Talk2 whatever the application name is. Can you just also put it on a comment?
Yeah, let me do that.
And the other one too, the one you're using for the content affiliate link, that will be great. Okay. There was oh man, there's too many questions. Live chat currently on LTD as well as recommended for good survey and feedback tool for WordPress site.
In LTD.
Yeah, that one is LTD as well. So we got a lot of addicts here. So we should. I don't think he will settle for anything for a monthly. I don't even think he will take a free one. He'll have to buy LTD. He won't even use a free one. It's free. It's too good. I can't use free. It has to be LTD.
You guys can use URIs because there is an option for embedding the URIs rather than making the user go into URIs page. You can just take out the part of it and place it inside your web page and collect survey, quizzes and everything. And I am actually using URIs in my digital marketing course test also. You won't even know that is a URIs, but it's easy and the LTD is still active.
Okay, and is it for survey or feedback? Both, right? Can we use it for both?
Yeah, you can use it. It's a contact form. And also native forms yesterday we mentioned in the group. That is also good. You can embed it, but still there is an issue with Malwarebytes. I am still yet to receive a reply from that. But and native form, it's worth checking out. There is an embed option, right? So you can use it on your website.
Okay, and there is, I believe there was a couple of, I don't know if a signaturely it's still available. I don't know how many people grabbed it, but I know there was a post by Henry that they were not allowing the API. But I was just thinking, okay, maybe API, you can use it for automations and stuff like that. But in terms of, sorry, that's my printer. But in terms of if I'm sending, seriously? Just 1 second, guys. Sorry. My wife is. We have a wireless printer, and I think my wife just sent me a message through a printer. Can you come downstairs?
I've added all the names to the list.
Pardon me?
I've added all the names to the list.
Okay. Sorry, I forgot what I was asking. But let's do the giveaway, guys. Let's finish it up. Let's do the giveaway.
I have to leave in 5 minutes, so if
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Alston, do you have that website, or can you do it for us?
Omar has the website opened. I think he
Omar
can.
has it. Okay, Omar, you have the website ready?
yeah,
Okay. Do you got everybody's name copied? Don't include
yeah.
me.
I've got 13.
So-
I've included everybody. There's only 13 names including everybody.
Okay, yeah, just put, just don't put me in there, or I think Vinke is part of it, of one giveaway. So I think it's gonna be a few lucky ones who's gonna get it.
What giveaway are you doing first?
I think Boei, we have 3 codes for Boei. I think there's 10 websites. I'll let you know the detail because the plan is a bit different compared to what AppSumo plan is. So that one is specially created for us to use it for a giveaway. So we have 3 codes. You can do 3 draws.
I think what you should do is do the
Or
Alston
maybe
one
do one
first.
draw and maybe we can save 2 for the next event.
If you do the hour with Alston first, because then there's only one winner, and then for the Boei, you can just do the top 3. So in one draw, rather than doing it 3 times. If that makes sense.
Top 3. Okay, I got it. Top
Yeah.
3. It makes sense, I think. Okay,
Should we do
let's
that?
do that then, I guess.
Shall we do the Alston giveaway first?
It doesn't matter whoever wants to start. For me, it's the Boei one you're doing for 3.
Yeah. Oh, no, I'm saying which giveaway are we doing first? Are we doing Boei or are we doing Alston's hour?
No, the chat one, the Boei one.
The Boei one. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
So I'm going to share my screen. Share my screen. Share. Can you see it? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, can you take me out, please?
Okay, where are you? Okay, so I'm just going to pick a random winner, yeah?
Yeah, top 3 will be getting the licenses. Holy cow. That's nice.
Woo!
You got all of them, man. What's this? You got all of them winners.
I'm going to do it again. I don't know what happened there. I've not used... Oh, there! The winner is me! Okay, I'm going to run it again, yeah?
So is it one code? One code is gone to you, I guess?
Yeah, that's... Okay, let's do it again.
This is a conflict of interest, man.
The second winner is... Abe?
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Good. I don't know if he has it or not, so...
Okay, and the third one is going to be...
It's a nice tool. We should get LTD on it.
Tarun.
Taruna Bhatta.
Okay.
So,
Okay, Suleiman.
everybody can make a note of that. So, Umar, okay, I'm gonna
No,
see. if I can-
I'm gonna run it again because I'm not really gonna use it. So
So, you're gonna do one more?
yeah, we're gonna do one more.
So, can you take these 2 guys out because they don't win it again?
Yeah, Tarun and Abe. Okay, let's pick a random winner. And the last one is Alston.
You have Alston in there.
Hey.
My name also in the list.
Okay, take Alston out too. We're not giving anything to Alston. Alston has to give us.
If you ended up giving something to me, I will re-give away it. So no point on doing that.
No.
My also.
Look at this AppSumo. You guys still see AppSumo there?
Yeah.
Yes.
This guy looks very
Yeah.
funny with the mustache and long hair.
So listen, shall I rerun it again or we keep it
Yeah,
like that?
just take
Yeah,
Alston
you
out.
Alston name out and do it.
Okay.
And you won Boei Tarba. Hopefully I'm pronouncing the name right. Sorry about it.
Okay, and the last winner is Sarang.
Sarang. Oh
Yeah.
my God.
This is something fishy. All the people are present or came into the live.
That's good. So we can do this giveaway next time. Reuse
We've
it.
only included the names of the people who are here on the live.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like I don't know if you have anybody on Facebook, right? Like how many?
Okay, I'm going to quickly run the one for Alston's giveaway because I really have to go. So just paste all the names again. Get rid of Alston.
Okay, did I just win, Boei?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, so
That was funny. That was really funny. Did I just win?
Okay,
Okay, man, no, that was it. No, you didn't win anything, buddy. You were just
So
kidding.
this one now is for the 1 hour with Alston, yeah?
Sorry?
I'm going to run it again now for the 1 hour with Alston.
The Alston one. Okay, Alston one. Yeah, I'll put my name in there too, please.
Is there, all the names are
1
there. I've just
hour,
taken
man.
out Alston.
Your
Okay,
name is
here we
already
go.
there. But if you come as a winner, I will not accept.
And the winner is
Gene Rebel.
I
Gene
think Gene
Rebel.
read us.
And we got the blur app, Blurweb or something like that.
Okay,
That blurs
so
the screen.
run
Okay,
it again,
so
yeah?
is anybody? Can you please, guys, text PM me whoever is the winner is, or just write it down in the chat because I will
Okay,
forget all these winners.
Sure.
I also take my name out of it, Blurweb, so it doesn't make, and Suleiman's name also.
My name is out, please. Yeah, I already got one.
Okay, so the last one, here we go.
Don't tell me it's Fernando.
Aristotle.
Aristotle.
Who's that?
Aristotle M. Malichetti.
Is he here?
He was there.
He was here now. Okay, I think he's still here, active. He's showing it's active.
He was. Anyway, I'm going to love you and leave you guys. I have to go. My
All
daughter's
right,
in
buddy.
school. I have to
Hey,
go.
what about the LinkHelp giveaway? That's who won that?
Nobody.
You can do that. I'll run it.
Then
Just
give
do
it
one
to
more.
Chaitanya. He pinged me saying that make me the winner for LinkHelp.
Yeah, Chatyana, right?
Chaitanya didn't win anything today.
Yeah.
He's waiting for the linked that app. He want to win that specifically.
See, he's asked where is LinkHelp. Omar, one last time.
Yeah, I'm going to run it now. Shit.
One last time and make Chaitanya win here.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, we could.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, we
pick
can
random winner. Here we go.
Balasubramanian Venkatesh.
Yes. Venkatesh.
Aristotle again.
Hey.
He's a lucky guy.
There we go, Chaitanya. All the world.
Okay, guys. Take care. Look after
All
yourselves.
right, buddy.
And I'll speak to you guys soon. Take care. Bye now.
Thank you so much, man.
Bye-bye.
So please PM me, guys, whoever win. But or I'll have to watch the recording again, I guess.
I
and
PM'd
I
you.
will I will PM you the codes, and those are provided by the
Taruna Abai Aristotle M.
so
They are the winners.
I think Sarang won. Didn't he?
Sarang won.
Yeah,
something.
Sorry.
Yeah, he won.
Sarang won one boy.
Sarang
And
is going back in the pot.
Gene Rebel won the date with Alston.
So I okay. Okay. So
Okay,
I got.
I have a question for Suleiman.
Okay, bro. Keep it going, buddy.
Okay, so you are such a enthusiast about all LTD tools. So how is it going for your AI GPT-3, journey? Like, have you started that?
So are you specifically talking about the content writing? like creating
Yeah, I
content
guess
and stuff?
that is the only one prominently visible right now.
So for me, to be honest with you, I don't like doing any content research and stuff like that. I buy the LTDs just because of FOMO, but not that I'm gonna use it. Like there are so many tools, but you can't use all the tools. So my most of the tool I use is mostly for graphic animation or the content thing does not excite me as much. The keyword and all these things, they're too like interconnected with each other. And so yeah, for me, I don't. It doesn't excite me. Those LTD. I bought niches. I bought phrase, Bloggly, and what else I have? I
The
think
good
that's about
question
it.
will be,
Yeah.
what didn't you buy?
Huh?
The good question will be, what didn't you buy?
May I give a suggestion? Like you have taken initiative to organize this, and we got to interact with Alston, which I am thankful for. I know him for quite some time. So what I would suggest is like when you are using Run the World, you are recording it, right?
This one I think it's been recorded. Yeah, it's actually we are live right now, so yes, it's been recorded for sure.
Okay, so yes, you can take out transcripts, and there is a tool called Spoke, which enables one to extract the best sentences and then compile them again in a re-edited version, just filtering out all the extra footage killers, time consumers. So that ways you can that would be very interesting. You can then or someone else can coordinate and make it available for the public later on.
Makes sense.
I think some discussions we had, they would be beneficial for others, but
I think
since they are not with us,
there is going to be a lot of work if whoever is doing the transcript, because there's a lot of laughs and there's a lot of I don't know how it's gonna it's gonna be a lot of editing, right? So I'm not up for it, but if there is somebody's up for it, the video is live on Facebook. Have fun if you wanna make a transcript for it and maybe use it for your own SEO.
Spoke will save time. I don't know. Like I saw the features, like you could separate sentences and then make a filter out.
And also, I'll try to do something.
Perfect recall.
What I do is whenever I do this live or any talks or anything, I try to take pointers, and I have a content plan in Infinity database. I put a potential future video or tutorial or something like that. So whenever there is a good question, like one you asked, which is a good CMS or something like that, I mark it down as a content strategy and try to create a content for it. So I will be going through all this question. So even if I missed some questions, I can't easily browse through the comment. It's really slow for me since I'm using Chrome. So I will go through it, all these things, and try to create separate content. So if it's something specific question, I'll try to even message you guys so you can know the answer, something like that, so you don't miss it out.
Okay. Do you create transcripts like when you?
Yeah, for my YouTube videos, not for this casual videos, because as Suleiman mentioned that the transcription comes for horrible when we do talkative video, because there are a lot of different voices. But whenever, for example, the SEO courses video all have different transcript using AppyScribe. Really good SaaS deal which I got, and so far it replaced for me Otter.ai. It was a credit deal. Now I'm using AppyScribe to transcribe all things, and it's accurate also.
Okay, great.
So guys, I want to share my screen quickly. If you guys have questions, keep it going. Like this will be fun. So I'm gonna share my screen, guys. Just bear with me, okay?
Okay. So Alston, so your main tool is Shortly right now among the GPT-3.
For example, Shortly is like an open canvas. You are not restricted to create only this. I think a you will enjoy it a lot. For example, it's just an open canvas like direction, and you give the command. It's just like asking your assistant to do your job for you. Basically, you type something and say, please suggest me some outlines, please rewrite this, please give me some way to complete this sentence, or you write part of the sentence and highlight it and say to finish the sentence. So where the nicheness, right, Sonic have created specific different features, but you are restricted for that particular template. You need to give input, you need to fill up like 2 different or 4 different screen in order to get the output. Where in Shortly, there is nothing like that. You just get a blank screen. Whatever the things you type, it will manage throughout of it. It's really a good tool. But
I tried the 3 days trial, and I came across, a help section which suggested that you input specific parameters like instruct.
The main parameters contain instruct, expand, shorten, rewrite, and also 3 slashes and plus. That's why I mentioned I wanted to create a good video training, guys, for you.
Really interesting.
But I need to have much more experience. I need to show you guys the actual demo. So I'm still using it for my article. For example, I'm preparing another article, finishing up Tamil SEO course, which I am planning to do. Then I will be focusing on that. There I will be creating more videos. First, I will be using it for myself. That's why I haven't even shared the link, or I haven't shown the product, because I want to show and make come comfortable. Then I will show you tutorials video. There is a lot of it. Yeah, I will show you guys.
Okay, I was particularly attracted towards copy.ai and sortly.ai. Alston, what do you think? Like, any chances in the now or in the near future of a LTD in this tool? Like, I mean, I appreciate niches, but that is
I
of a different class.
I don't think the biggest 3 LTDs and biggest 3 LTDs like conversation AI, copy AI, or shortly will come for LTD, because they already have a lot of MRR customers. So if they go for LTD, they essentially will be restricting. So I don't think they will be coming anytime soon.
Okay, no chance.
But new tools will come, but not these guys. They will lose all the MRR.
Can you guys still see my video? Okay, you can.
We can see it.
Yeah.
So I'm going to share just a screen quickly, and then we can move on some more exciting stuff. I know Venkatesh has eyes open, Sarang has eyes open. They all want to know what I got so far, what I bought. So here's this is for Alston. Yeah, you guys can see my screen.
I didn't know you bought Arma.
Volume is very low.
Yeah, we can hear barely.
First, one of the sweetest and kindest guy I know in the LTD community. Never heard you say anything bad or wrong about anyone, and that's something to be noticed for sure. Second, you are one of the most knowledgeable guy in the community about everything SEO and marketing, and I love you for that. So long live to you and long live to your group. See you next time, King.
Wow, that was good. Did you guys hear it or no? Or did I just watch it myself?
Yeah, I heard bits of it, not the entirety.
You guys want a replay for that?
I think a link would be better.
Let's do it one more time. The problem is the file is created under the it's like a movie file, and Run the World only want me to upload MP4, so I didn't have a time to convert it.
Hey, Alston, how are you, brother? Finally, as you can see, I landed in my new apartment, and I'm super tired. But still, I managed to find a couple of minutes to say all the good things I think about you. First, one of the sweetest and kindest guy I know in the LTD community. Never heard you say anything bad or wrong about anyone, and that's something to be noticed for sure. Second, you are one of the most knowledgeable guy in the community about everything SEO and marketing, and I love you for that. So long live to you and long live to your group. See you next time, King.
Thank you so much, Arman.
So he told you, see you next time, King. Wow, that's some like good words. What
He's the
actually I
guy
wanted.
with the coolest AI in LTD community.
Exactly. I don't know what he does, but it's listen, I want to know, I know you've been start doing some as a beta tester, some of the LTDs. I believe one of the Muhammad deals that you did, Mux email, I believe, and I don't know if you've been doing it for. So I don't know. Do you get paid for all these, like when you do it, or you're just doing it? What's the deal?
Beta testing, I don't take any payments or anything like that.
Okay.
I'll try to help out the startups, give feedback. I have given, I think, more than 50 so far. I have been beta testing, and even recently I joined up beta test as brand overflow and also for morning score. So for doing that morning school, as I told you, right, my favorite SEO tool, they are coming up with the awesome new version 3, which I'm beta testing also. So these are helpful since I already own them. I give the feedbacks to improve it, but it's really fun to try it out new tools, right? So
Yeah,
no charges.
but like since but the thing is for me, it's I actually forgot to ask you this throughout the interview. Where is the source of income you're generating from? Is it from your own like digital marketing agency? How are you doing all that? Like, why do free beta testing? Why promote other people LTD? Like, why doing all this where you are not? I know you want to help the community, but don't you think that if you actually generate some money, you can actually help people out there who need some money, or help actually somebody? So why doing all these tests for people for free? Uh, like I just don't understand.
I told you, right, before I start creating community everything, I was only focused on money. I only cared about creating project, completing project, client project. I'm fully okay with the customer offline side of it. I get the project, I choose the project, I even if I get request, I told them to hold only I complete this. I'm fully settled on that side, the internal projects and everything. This digital education, lifetime deals, SaaS, everything, this is just like a something close to art. That's why I try to do everything. If I want to redesign this aspirate design, I don't want to give it out to another person. I want to do it because these are not just for money sake of it, but rather creating connections. For example, if I'm just focused on money, chances are event like this even wouldn't have happened. The only reason so many guys are coming here because it's just more than a place where we share affiliate links, just give out opinions, more like a community helping each other, creating something. So this is not fully a money focused product. I get a commission for affiliate whenever purchase.
But do you get
For
a free
example,
code? Do you get a free code for testing it?
not everyone, not everything, because I don't specifically reach out most of the time to get free codes for review. Sometimes what happens is some SaaS companies or developers, they reach out to me saying that, Alston, we are trying to either improve the product. If it's in beta testing, they will give me access to feedback, optimize the tool, what are the features customers will be looking
Yeah.
for it. They will ask you that.
I understand that. So let's say, for example, if somebody comes to you and they say, okay, can you do the beta testing for this particular product? How long he has to wait for you to do it? Because I know you are quite a busy guy.
Yeah, for example, if the deal is already launched or going to be launched, then if I initial test, as I told you, even before seeing the product, I will look at the website. If that looks good and it looks worthy, then I will try to do a beta test. Otherwise, I would say that sorry, I won't be able to do it right now or something. If it's SEO tools, I'm sucker for it. I will try all the SEO tools because this is like close to my art. Otherwise, I will try to choose and to decide whether I want to beta test or something. Sometimes I told you I do get access for certain tools. For example, now since we have a LTD community, some developers, when they are planning to launch a LTD, they will come with to me, or for example in digital think Muhammad Ali, since I'm a beta tester, he gives me test access and I try to test it out, the tools and everything. But everyone knows. Mohammed Ali, I don't need to mention it because he knows that I do give the honest reviews or feedbacks. I submit actual document after testing the product and show these are the limitations, these need to be fixed or something like that. For other products, as soon as I get a review copy email, I will mention, okay, I will accept the review copy, but I will be creating the video honest as possible. I won't be able to make any suggestions. Edit according to your opinion. If you're okay with this, do let me give the review, then I will create it. And now I'm putting the deal association in any products I promote, like I'm affiliated or I got a review copy or something like that.
So my question is, if you're doing beta test, if you're doing a review and you're doing your honest review, non-biased review, and is there like issue comes in, then the founder or the whoever is launching it, they say, oh, don't do it because this might hurt my sales, and you stop it.
So far I haven't had anything like that. I have given the complete feedback and they are happy with it. For example, whenever I mention any bugs or anything like that, they are happy with it because they don't want to go into a live production or get to deal and they figure out this in the live environment. I'm giving the honest opinion, and since I am also a customer, I know what customers are looking for. So far nothing like that, but I tend to weed out the request initial stage itself. I can see messaging, contacting so many people, I get a sense for this kind of request. As soon as I see some request, sometimes I just figure it out, no, this might not be a good fit. In that case, I will say not at the moment or something like that and skip.
Okay. Anyone, I'm not sure if anyone else have any questions. If I think we are almost done. The giveaways are done. The question answer is done. Any final tip for example, we see a lot of young people are joining the group, like Boei, the Chaitanya. I think there's a lot of 17, 18, 19. I see a lot of young kids are coming in. What would you recommend them, like in terms of, because at the end they want to survive. They are in a very early stage. They need to learn and they need to survive and to make money. What would you advise them, like in terms of which direction they should be heading in the IT world? What is upcoming? I hope you understand what I mean. Like, what's upcoming that they should get into it right now? There was a time that people were saying, "Oh, go in a computer, learn about computer, do programming, do JavaScript, do this." What would you tell them that they should put their effort in that thing? What thing would you say?
And basically, this question gets asked a lot. I remember having a conversation with one of my community member from India last month also, who had similar issue, not sure on which to choose. What I would recommend is, it's good, you need to survive. So try to have something which currently gives you an option to making money. Don't leave that out until you are able to stay steady on your feet with whatever the thing. Never go after money as your main focus, but always go after what you want to be doing, what you prefer. And the main thing, that when you focused on money and go into some projects and you got into some kind of hurdles, what will happen is, if something goes wrong, if something is not working out as it should be, it will motivate you easily, because there is no additional factor which will keep on helping you to move forward. But when you focus something to do which you like, which you would love to do, something like that, then even something goes wrong, something is not working correctly, this will not be a full stop, but rather like hurdle or solution, like game levels to go and beat that level and go for it. So even if you are not comfortable, something like that, always try to go with the things which you like to do or see yourself 10 years ahead of it. But don't leave your whatever the job or business which is currently paying you to pay the bills, survive. keep that as it is until you know that this is fully survivable, I don't need any other alternative one, then you switch to it. Until then, keep it as a part-time.
Great.
Venke, anything you have? Because we are almost done. I think you're good. Sarang has been stuck. I don't know. His screen has been stuck. Anything, guys? Last call, guys. All right, guys. Thank you for coming, guys. Thank you, Alston, for doing this. It was such a pleasure. I wish you best of luck for everything what you do, and you are one of the humble guy, nicest guy, who genuinely care about the community. Not like others, and I think this is a good part about you, that you are not like others, and that's amazing. Like it's I'm very glad that I get to talk to you and get to know you better outside the LTD community as a person, and it was great. It was beautiful. You handled it pretty well and with honesty. And these any of these questions that we have discussed with Alston, they were not discussed with him prior to this. We didn't discuss anything. This is just I made the questions and I went with it. So I'm glad that we have very very transparent talk in this. And thank you all for joining. And we'll see you soon, guys. LTD Eric, and don't just keep buying, guys. Save your money. Just buy what you need, okay? Please. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Okay.
Take care, guys.
Take care. Bye.
Yeah.